Good evening. My name is Miguel. My partners are Abraham Thomas and Angel Vaquero, and this is our presentation on our alarm pillow project. So the alarm pillow we made is for essentially to wake people up, but it's for people who are in a rush essentially. So say you're a parent and you need to leave home early. You don't really have the time to wake your kids up essentially. You cannot spend like a whole 10-20 minutes routine trying to wake them up and them not waking up. So our project simplifies this in which you could have the alarm inside of their pillow, and with on your phone you could just tap it and it would send like a whole vibration and a sound to their pillow, forcing them to wake up. This is the block diagram of our project that shows all the connections. You can see the USB power adapter goes into the ESP32, and the IFT app and the phone, and the red LED is coming out. And this is our Tinkercad demonstration. Tinkercad is just where is like an app or a website where you could test your different circuits and test if any problems. It'll catch most of your problems before, and you can use it for different types of electrical components. In our case, we used it to test our circuit. The power used for ESP32 was either a USB power adapter or a battery, as you can see in the pictures there.
This is the ESP32, and this is the microcontroller used to allow all the parts to work together. This is the buzzer we used for the noise that comes from the pillow. This is the red LED we use to see if the code works and as a sign for power. This is the IFTTT app, and it's basically like Blink, and it allowed us to connect to the Adafruit board to allow us to make the button widget to activate the buzzer. We also had to do some soldering for the board for the stacking headers.
This is the breadboard, and the case we used to protect the ESP32 from any pressure from the pillow was an AirPod case. This is the ESP32 code that we uploaded. This allowed the Adafruit to connect with the IFTTT and the buzzer to function properly. We also had to download different libraries for the code to work. We needed a Wi-Fi connection, so we used this to allow us to connect to it. The video demonstration.
This is the setup/demonstration of the alarm pillow, with it being plugged into the ESP32 using a power adapter. You could also use a battery to charge it, but I just went with the adapter. The ESP32 is in the AirPods case, so it'll be protected when anyone wants to use the pillow. And when you want to use it, you click this button on the on your phone from the IFTT app to be able to sound the alarm. And this is how it sounds. This is mainly used for parents to wake up their kids whenever they want. The sound is also pretty annoying, so it'd wake me up.
We had a couple of issues trying to get the code to work with the ESP32. In order to fix this, we downloaded the correct libraries and using the correct Wi-Fi, SSID, and password allowed it to connect. In conclusion, this was a great and fun project for us to do to allow us to learn a lot about electrical components and how to use them together. Thank you for listening to our presentation.
Okay, now I just need to trim it.